Hello friends, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make healthy egg drop soup. To make the soup, the ingredients are 2 eggs, 5 cups of chicken stock, half a carrot which I am going to peel, 1 cup of cabbage which I am going to slice into small pieces, a little bit of coriander to garnish, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. First I'm going to slice the cabbage. Now I'm going to peel the carrot using the peeler. Now I'm going to finely slice the coriander. Now my ingredients for the soup are ready. Let's get started. Now I've taken the chicken stock. I'm waiting for it to boil. You can either use chicken stock or vegetable stock. While the chicken stock is boiling, I'm just going to whisk the eggs. Now I've taken 5 tablespoons of water to add this 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it well. Once my chicken stock starts boiling, I'm just going to add the cabbage and the carrot into the stock and cook for it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking on a medium flame, I'm going to add the soy sauce. Then I'm going to add the cornstarch mix into it. After boiling for 2 minutes, I'm going to add the eggs and whisk it into the mixture. After 1 minute, I'm just going to garnish it with coriander leaves. During this time, if you wanted to make it spicy, you can add pepper to it. I haven't added any salt to the soup because the chicken stock already has salt and the soy sauce has salt, so I haven't added. In case if you want to add more salt, you can do that. Your soup is now ready. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you.